Hi, I'm Justin Leonard from igus, and I want to tell you something about our energy chains today that hopefully you will find useful. So hopefully you're aware that igus make energy chains which are used for carrying cables and hoses and giving them physical protection and guidance inside a minimum bend radius as they move within machinery. What maybe you don't know is that we can also make these chains in colour. So I've got some examples here. So we have one here that's a silver grey colour, which is a custom colour. We have chains in white, pure white, so maybe that might be needed in something like the medical area. We have some magnolia here for something that maybe that's going to be used inside a building or a house. And here's an interesting one. We could even mould the chain in yellow. And some customers actually use our chains where they use every other link in yellow and every other link in black, which acts as a visual warning for something that's moving. So we have a standard range of colours. Black is the normal standard that you'll receive if you order as default. We can also do white and yellow and some other primary colours. And indeed, if you have a special colour, custom colour, which you have for corporate use or something to do with the way you brand your machine or some other use, all we need from you is a RAL number, and we can match very closely to that with our injection moulding. There's a small cost for doing that, which is dependent on the batch sizes and a little bit longer to produce. But it's a pretty straightforward process, and you get something which matches your machine and looks exactly the way that you want it to. So if you'd like some more information, you'll see this down here, and my contact details are at the end of this video, and by all means give me a call and I'll help you with whatever you need. Thank you.